So we got some new wiper blades for the JKU. So these are 15-inch. We'll put some links down below. There's some Amazon options if you're trying to pick one up. Quick comparison there. 15 to 15. I usually just line them up, make sure we got the right size. Pretty easy to do. All you do is grab the old one, bring it up like this. There's a little button right here. You're gonna push that button in. They're both size 15s. That's gonna free this inner piece. There we go. So we push that, just slide it in. You'll see this little hoop is gonna stay. You're gonna get the wiper down off of it. At that point, you just bring the wiper over, and we've got the old one off. This is what you're left with right here, a little hoop. And so we're gonna then put the same way. You're gonna take the new one, slide it over that, pull it out till it clicks. So let me grab the new one real quick. All right, now when it's going back on, we've got the curved side here going to the left. Probably the easiest way to do this. Turn it around backwards, slide it over like that. Now the little curved portion is facing the loop, and then we're just gonna pull that until it slides in there, and it'll click. Now that blade is good. So these are 15-inch. They're both size 15s. We'll put some links down below. There's some Amazon options if you're trying to pick one up.